Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and it's been a while since we've done a mail call. I've actually got two items for the mail call today. The first one is the S Mint American Silver Eagle for 2023. It's in this box right here. I've missed doing the boxing on that. I usually do them the day or two after I get them. But in this case, I just didn't have enough time to do that, and it kept getting pushed back and back and back. So we're going to pair this with this video. But the main reason we're doing this video is for the reverse proof Morgan and Peace dollars, which I also have. But we're going to do this one first, and then we're going to get to the stars of the show. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Like I said, it's been sitting here for over a month, and I'm sure there's lots of unboxing videos out there already, but we'll go ahead and do it anyway. I am going to probably send this into PCGS to get graded here in the near future. Just go ahead and get this packaging unboxed. Let's see if I can somehow slide this out without exposing my personal information on the paperwork. I think I did just that. And let's check this out. Here is the American Silver Eagle 1 ounce proof coin. And I believe this is going to be San Francisco. So again, packaging is the same, the black with the silver embossing that the United States Mint has adopted in recent years. And we're just going to try to set this up as best as possible for you to get a good view. Here is the COA. And if you want to read it, you can go ahead and pause this video and do so. Okay. And here is the coin itself. Now, I am running a little bit of a risk by not opening it right away. If there was any problems with it, I don't know if I'd get much support help from the United States Mint, even if I did open it anyway on time. The way I like to take these out of these holders is I like to push back on this. That helps the coin just pop right out. And it's a really good way of not trying to, use a screwdriver or something, your finger to try to leverage that coin out. So there she is. Love the mirror finish. The date definitely kind of gets lost in the frosted fields, but you take what you can get. And there's the S Mint mark. And this coin looks pretty good. I am noticing there is a little bit right there. You can see it in the video. Maybe a little bit of a scratch right there. At least some dust for sure. And lately the Mint has been notorious for having dusty coins go out into the public. But I am seeing a little bit of a mark, and one there and one at the tip of the wing. I think you can see both of them. Let me get a screwdriver out. Now, this could just be a fiber, it could be dust, or it could be a scratch. And I don't really know for sure which it is. Or even milk spots. What do you guys think about that? Can I zoom down any further? Let me know in the comments below what you think about that residue right there and there. Either way, it's still a really nice coin. Part of my subscriptions I have with the United States Mint. So that's the first thing that we're showing off. Let's take a look at these reverse proofs. Not bad, though, for the first coin. All right, now I've got the box that has what we've all been waiting for. The 2023 reverse proof Morgan and Peace dollars. The first time that anything like this has ever been produced. And I'm really excited for these. Really anxious to see how they compare with the other ones. I think this is going to be the best looking set in terms of the uncirculated versus the proof. I think the reverse proof is going to be the best looking. We can kind of compare them because I actually have them all up here. And we can kind of go through them and see which ones you guys think are the best. And there is the package. Very, very cool. I'm not going to do much talking right now. I just want to see what these look like, and I know you guys do too, so let's go ahead and unbox these. If I can get them open. And again, if you want to read any of this, you can pause the video. Here they are. Oh, man. Let's take a look at these together. Let me zoom down in a little bit more. Wow. They are stunning. Looks like I've got some felt on the tops of these. Let me go ahead and brush that away. Man, does that look cool. It's a shame they're not centered correctly. But what are you going to do? Let me see if I can get these coins out, and we'll take a closer look at these. Let's do the Morgan first. So let me go ahead and zoom in all the way that I can on the phone. So glassy. The fields now are frosted, and man, Liberty is just pure glass. That's amazing. I don't see, I mean, I think I see a little bit of dust underneath the capsule, but I don't see anything concerning in terms of imperfections. Oh man, this side, that's my favorite. Whew. The reverse, the detail, whew, man, does that pop. That's my favorite, not just coin, side of a coin. I don't know if it's possible to have that. The detail on the breast feathers is there. Whew, man, that looks awesome. I hope you guys agree too. Take a look at the peace dollar. And the attention to detail in the hair is just stunning. Oh man, the effect, it really looks like rays, like the eagle and then the sun rays coming up with the reverse proof finish. Whew. It's a close second. I think I like the Morgan better, but this is a close second. Wow. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right, so what I've done, I've actually gotten all of the Morgan Peace dollars from 2023 out, and I've put them all in a column and by rows, so you can see that we've got the finishes lined up here by rows, and then by columns is, you know, obviously the piece and then the Morgan dollar. I think it's very interesting to see them all compared side by side. I will say that, you know, obviously the least impressive, or, you know, just the generic version, is the uncirculated versions. You know, obviously there's not a lot going on there, but it's still a really cool coin. And as you know, I'm a completionist, and I'm going to have them both in my collection. The proofs are stunning. I actually like the obverse of the Morgan better than the obverse of the reverse proof. That's just me. That really does pop though. And then for the reverse, it's just cool to compare them all. Like I said, I like the proof version better of the obverse, but the reverse of the reverse proof, I think, is my favorite. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below now that we've gotten a chance to see these all in hand, all three finishes of both coins. Which one or ones do you like the best? I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me. I've been really excited for this release, and I'm excited to have these in hands. I will be putting these in a order to PCGS here in the near future to get them slabbed and graded. So that actually will probably be the next video coming up. So we're going to be seeing, hopefully we're going to be getting PR 70s on these, or whatever the designation is based off the levels. We'll see what they do when they come back. But either way, they're going to get sent off to PCGS to get slabbed and preserved. I'm really happy to do that. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please click that subscribe button. I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you've got something to say, put it in the comments below. And remember, it's always a mystery until you open that box from the United States Mint and see what you got on the inside. Thanks for taking the time to watch this one. I'll catch you in the next one.